Let us do another solved example. In this solved example, the question is in the description. You can find it there. I will summarize the question here. In this question, two wires are given of same mass. So let us say if the mass of one wire is m1 and mass of second wire is m2, the two masses will be same, so m1 equals to m2. The ratios are given, ratios of length of two wires is 1:2, ratios of density of the material of two wire is given as 1:3, ratio of resistivity of the two wires is given as 2:1. So we can say that L1 by L2 is given as 1/2. This ratios of density, so D1 by D2 is given as 1/3, and ρ1, the ratio of resistivity ρ1 by ρ2 is given as 2:1. So these things are given to us, and what is asked is that the two wires are connected to the battery one after the other, and the rate on this with the same voltage supply, and the rate of heat dissipation in the first wire. So that is the heat dissipation. The power of first wire is given to be 10 volt, and we have to find the power or heat dissipated by the second wire. So this is the question. So let us solve this. So we know that the thermal power or the heat produced by a resistor is given as P equals to V square upon R. We are choosing the formula V square upon R, not I square R, because here in the question it is given that both the wires are connected to the same voltage. So the voltage is constant for us. So we can use P equals to V square upon R. So P1 by P2, that is the power supplied by the power consumed by the first resistor divided by the power consumed by second resistor, will be equal to R2 by R1 by this formula. Now this R2, we can use the formula R2 will be equal to ρ2 L2 upon A1. We are using the formula R equals to rho L by A, and similarly R1 will be equal to ρ1 L1 divided by A2. Now this area, we know that the volume, I can write it here, D1 L1 A1 will be the volume of the first wire, it will be equal to mass of the first wire, and D2 L2 A2 will be the mass of the second wire, and because both the masses are equal, so these two will also be equal. So from here we can find that A1 by A2 is equal to D2 L2 upon D1 by L1, and if we put the values, then it will be equal to this. So the ratio of A1 by A2 is equal to 6/1. Other ratios are already given to us. So if we put them in the equation, then they will come out to be, the ratio of P1 by P2 will be equal to 6. So from here P2 will be equal to P1 by 6, and P1 is given to us. So it will be equal to 10 by 6 or 5/3 watts. So the heat dissipated by the second wire will be equal to 5/3 watt, and this will be the solution of this question.